Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Simesi in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be doing a very quick ponytail tutorial. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get yourself fixed in like 30 minutes stop. Okay, this tutorial is very quick. So I was having a get together and I needed something to just look sharp. I didn't want to wear a wig and I had not made my hair, so I said, you know what, let me put myself together. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly if you are in the same position as me. Okay, so I went ahead to use heat protectant and I'm just going to go ahead and straighten my hair. This is just so my ponytail is more flat, because I'm not going to be doing this in section because I did not have the time. Doing your ponytail in sections takes time, but it's going to look more sleek. So if you have the time for it, just do it. Okay, but I was trying to avoid that, so I just went ahead to like straighten the roots of my hair in front. Okay, I didn't straighten the whole hair because I did not have time. But if you have the time, you can go ahead, straighten the hair, do it in section, and I bet you your ponytail is going to be so sleek. But I did not have the time, like I have said. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pack that hair into a ponytail, the position where I want the ponytail. So you're going to go ahead and put it in the position where you want the ponytail to be. Okay, pack it, then you're going to go ahead and just use your got2b spray or any spray you have, or if you want to use eco styler gel, whatever that will hold the hair together. But I just prefer got2b gel. I just prefer got2b spray because it really works for me. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, spray that, brush it, and then blow dry it. Basically, I'm blow drying in cool heat. Okay, so that's all I'm doing here, and it's just going to still hold together. It might not have as much longevity as me doing it in sections, but it's still going to do something. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do to hold down the ponytail.
At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
So now I've gone ahead to do all sides, okay? The back, the front, everything is in that ponytail. So now I'm going to go ahead and repack my ponytail. Okay, I called my sister to help me because, baby, I did not even want to stress this day. And I just told them, you're going to see my other sister come help me later on. So now she's going to use that thread and we're just going to pack the ponytail into the same position I've already put it in. But now we're going to make it tighter. We're going to make it more snatched. Okay. So you see that leaked. We're going to pack it again. So make sure you always repack your ponytail after spraying it. It just gives a more cleaner finish. I hope you know that. So always make sure you repack it. Take out the bun and repack it again. You don't have to use a thread. You can go ahead to use the same bun or something, but just make sure you repack it again. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add extension to my hair. And I'm adding extension because the weave I got is actually 10 inches. So I'm adding extensions for length. I just wanted to appear longer because I did not get a longer inches in the market. Okay, so when I went to buy it, this is just like a very cheap extension that I went to get. I'm going to show you the extension, but yeah, so I'm just adding attachments to my hair, as you can see, weaving it down. Then I'm going to go ahead and sew this. So I'm sewing this and I'm folding it in as I'm sewing it. So this will give like volume to the extension so that the weave on can like stay put more, if you get what I mean. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew that real quick. Okay, my lovelies, now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and protect my hair, okay? So you do not want to, I'm using bonding glue. If you're sewing, you do not need to do this process. You can go ahead and wrap the extension on your hair and sew it. But I'm going to be using bonding glue. Like I said, this is a very short timed hairstyle, okay? So you want to wrap your hair. Actually, you want to use wrapping, what do they call it? Hair wrap. There's this black stronger wrap, but I didn't have that, so I went for tissue paper, and it works just as well. Actually works just as well, but because it's white, you have to be very careful when you're wrapping because it will tend to show because it's white. But I didn't really have that problem because I really wrapped it around, okay? So just take note. So I went ahead to use random tissue paper, but if you have the chance to use the hair wrap, the black one, I'm going to put a picture for you. If you have the chance to use that, then make sure to use that. So this is the extension I got from the market. This was this was 13,000 naira. Super affordable actually, and it did the job pretty well. I did look put together at the end of the day, and that was the mission we're trying to accomplish. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put bonding glue on the track, and then normally I would just wrap it around. Okay, so bonding glue, wrap it around tightly and as closely as possible so you have as much volume. You can go ahead to fold it into two, but since for bonding, I don't really advise since for bonding, I don't really advise you to fold it into two, except when you're sewing. Okay, it's not going to glue very well, except you have the time to kind of bond it into two first of all before you go ahead to use it and wrap your hair. I hope that was understandable. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Then I went ahead to do my edges, and at a point I discovered I was late because my guests were already calling me and they were like, oh, we're on our way. So I went ahead and told my sister to help me finish wrapping it because I didn't have time anymore, my lovelies. But I really wanted to get the video out so you guys just get the clue of what I'm doing. It's actually pretty simple. Like, that's why I really love ponytails. They are very simple to accomplish, and they just give that very high sophisticated look. It always give a classy look. And the thing is, once you're done with this, if your bun is not so full, you can go ahead to wrap your weave into a bun, okay, and it will still give that very classy look. So with this style, you can go ahead to do like a low ponytail and then just wrap the weave on as a bun, and baby, that style always eats, like, no matter what.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting.
So once I had that bonded, okay, I didn't have time. So you want to go ahead and dry it a little bit more before you start brushing out, or you want to be very careful when you're brushing it out. Make sure you're being very gentle, okay? Then I'm going to take a bit of hair from the back and just use it to wrap that track that is showing, okay? Nothing serious. My weave was really short, so I really was just, finessing it and making sure it looks good. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if this is something you'll be trying. It's a very quick hairstyle and it's rockable anytime, okay? Let me know your thoughts down below. So my lovelies, that's really it on this tutorial. I really hope you like it. So I drop tutorials like this, hairstyles inspiration. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.